Alright, so basic tools that you will be needing is hammer. You can use a screw and a nail. And then to get all the soft parts out, we'll use like a steel brush. I've got the steel wheel that I just connected to my drill, and that just helps makes the processes go easily. So let me put this aside. The first thing that you want to do is get your hammer out. Your hammer, and you're just gonna start going and just banging the piece of wood. This gives it little dents and hooks, so you can even put some more with the back piece, put some more in there. Then what you want to do is take your nail and just hammer in a couple of holes here and there, just random. That doesn't need to be a set place. And then taking your screw and just laying it flat on the side and just hammer that in, so it gives a little ding there and a ding there, just like, yeah, just like that. You can even take the back piece and hammer that in there, so it looks like a nail that was stuck there. Yeah, just like a random pieces. And then you come with the drill and you're gonna just go with the grain and just take that out. So this will give that effect of the wood that is deteriorated over the years. But what you'll just do is also just go over with a sanding disc and just sand that off. So I've just got a 80 grade sanding disc, and I'll just orbital sand that down. And just like that, then you got your texture of your wood. So this will be like the final step. Once you've assembled everything, what you've wanted to give that rustic look to is give it a base coat and then a top coat, and then after that sand everything down. So first thing is first is do a base coat. I'm doing it out of a black, this is a matte black with a chalk paint that I'm currently using. So, and that is just to give it a nice finish look. make sure that once you apply this, that you actually apply it, that it goes into the grooves and the holes that you've made. So it gives that that effect. Once this thing is painted completely black, wait until it's dry, and then we'll go on to the next phase. Okay, so once you've done painting everything black, like your base color, then you're gonna come in with white. So I've got this enamel. It's a primary gloss enamel, so it gives a little bit of a glow, but that's not the worries for me. Is now literally just go and paint over it, and just cover everything. So it's just, yeah, you're not gonna go and paint the whole thing, you're just gonna run it over, because after a while you're gonna actually you're gonna sand it off in any case, so it will help you to do less sanding. Yeah, and as you can see, like even the back where you've taken out the grains, it's still black, so yeah, you want to keep that to give that effect to it. So the final step, slap on some sanding paper and then just sand it out. So as you can see there, you can see the grains coming out looking nice and sweet. I've enjoyed making this, just this project. It just gives that rustic look. So yeah. So if you've enjoyed this video and found this helpful in creating what you need to create, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and yeah, watch the space for some more.